I just wanted to do a quick video on how I eat my oatmeal because it's so delicious. It's so simple and affordable. You just can't go wrong with it because it tastes good every time. I like these organic, great value, old-fashioned oats. They're pretty good. What kind of noises is this making? Hold on, let me turn it down. Okay, I like my oats not thick, but like a bit runny. And I don't add milk, any type of milk whatsoever, because I was thinking about it. You know, oat milk, you know what oat milk is made out of? Oats. So if you leave this a bit creamy, just add more water than, you normally would, so it doesn't thicken up too much. Leave them kind of runny, and you still got this little milkiness to it. And all it is oat milk. That looks good enough for me. Let me turn it off. It's been cooking for a minute. A few minutes. I actually was getting my butter out and stuff off camera. Just give this a bit of a stir. And I always add maybe 1 or 2 sweeteners. I'm trying to find a sweetener that's actually, more, I guess, healthy, but a sugar substitute. But this is what I have for now. So I'm just going to open one up. Put that in there. I'm using a fork. Use whatever you want. It's oatmeal. It's nothing fancy, but it's going to be delicious. I'm just going to take this, and this has a little spout you can pour, or a little area for pouring. And that's exactly how I like it. Just make sure it's not going to drip. Is that enough? Let's see. I'm going to add a little bit more. It already tastes amazing. I don't have any butter in here whatsoever. I just have that one sweetener. I just now licked the utensil that I was actually stirring it with. So it's delicious already. But I have probably like a teaspoon of butter. I'm gonna put that in there. Just get that mixed around. And just mix it a bit. It'll melt. Okay, there's just the rest of it right there. And then this is what I love to do. Right now I'm using maple syrup. I like to just put a bit of maple syrup. I'm looking for a more healthy, like sugar-free syrup, but I think this maple syrup is pretty natural, so, it is what it is for now. You could use honey also. Honey tastes good if you use some honey, but this right here, you don't need no pancakes. You don't need anything but this. It is delicious. You want to mix your syrup in. And it's still nice and creamy. And it got that milkiness to it. Like if you let it set, you could see on the sides. And oat milk is from oats. So I started doing it this way and leaving it really not really liquidy, but just a nice, I guess, creamy consistency or texture, whatever you want to call it. And it tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. Try this out. You could even top it off with your last drip of maple syrup. I have it in a measuring cup. I'm not using all of it. I put about almost 1/4 of an amount in 1/4 cup. I didn't fill it to the top. I only used half of it because I was trying to measure it, but I don't have a smaller measuring cup than that. But yeah, so just put as much as you like, put as little, but try this out. It is so amazing. If you want it during the evening when you're just craving something sweet, warm, and cozy, This just hits the spot for a sweet tooth. Have it for breakfast with, some turkey bacon on the side or an egg. This is really, really delicious, and it's so simple to make. Try this out. If you haven't already tried it this way, try it, and you're going to like it. I'll see you in my next video.